Hello guys, welcome to Bankrupts. In this video, I'm going to do a cutoff prediction of SBI PO prelims and IBPS PO mains. Before that, let me tell you that for IBPS PO prelims, I said the cutoff will be 54. You can go ahead and check the last video which I've uploaded, and the cutoff was exactly 54. So on dot cutoff prediction. I don't think anyone on YouTube has done that. So forget about all this. For SBI PO, I think the cutoff should be 59.75 plus minus 1. My bet is 59.75, maybe plus minus 1 here and there. And for IBPS PO, it's kind of difficult to predict the cutoff, but I think the cutoff will be somewhere around 73 plus minus 2. So essentially between 71 to 75. See, predicting IBPS PO cutoff is slightly difficult because, number of the vacancies is the first and the major concern. When they have announced the notification, 3049 vacancies was there, but later some uh, RTI came and which says the vacancy increased to 5,600 something. So then again, they're gonna select 1:3 candidate for the interview. Okay, so it's kind of difficult for us to predict the exact cutoff because we are not aware of the vacancy. But as I already told you in the earlier video, that don't bother about mains cutoff, be it SBI PO mains, RRB PO mains, or IBPS PO mains, because cutoff is not a factor which will decide you will be selected or not. Because you need at least 10 to 15 marks more than the cutoff to get selected. I know there are some people who will get 90 plus marks in interview, but that is very difficult and unpredictable. You don't know what kind of question they're going to ask you, and it's impossible for you to know everything. So at least 10 to 15 marks is important for you to get the final selection, and your aim should be final selection. Don't bother about all these mains cutoff. I've also appeared for RRBPO interview. I will share the experience of RRBPO interview and what are the learnings to be taken from the RRBPO interview for SBI PO and IBPS PO. For SBI PO, I know there are certain shift which are more difficult and certain shift which are less difficult. Considering that they will do normalization, what they always do normalization, and that is the correct way. But also remember one thing: in normalization, you're not gonna get plus 10. In normalization, whichever is your shift, you're not gonna get plus 15. No, no, not even plus 9 or 8. Maybe plus 5 or 6 marks you will get in normalization, max to max, not more than that. So if you are someone who is attempting 51 question and hoping that you will get 59, or like 53, 54 question and hoping that you will, no, if 54, then it is okay. But if you're, attempting like 52 and 51 question and hoping that you will get 59 because of normalization, probably you will not get 59 because, plus 7, 8 marks is difficult to get in normalization. And then also it's not possible. I mean, it's very difficult for us to get 100% accuracy. Why I'm saying about accuracy? See, normalization doesn't depend on accuracy. Not at all depends on accuracy. And those who said normalization depends on accuracy, they are lying. Because you can check any examination. Normalization is depend on the average score of the shift, average score of the shift, how much the topper is scoring, and all other factors are there. Accuracy is not at all a factor. You are getting 60% accuracy, 70% accuracy, doesn't really matter. Those who are saying normalization depends on accuracy, they don't know how normalization is calculated. So don't bother about accurate. Accuracy. But why I'm saying key, if you attempting 52 question and it's very likely that you will get 1 or 2 question wrong. It's very difficult to get 100% accuracy in English. Okay. Then your score will be again now reduced to like 49, 48. And then getting 59 is impossible. So if you are scoring 51, 52, maybe 53 also, then you should prepare for the other exams. Don't have an expectation that I will kill SBI PO. Okay. Focus on other exams, prelims, and work hard there. So that is what I'm trying to make. I'm not here to demotivate any of you, but the reality is sometimes difficult. You need to accept it. The moment you accept your faults is the moment you can grow. Okay. So that's all about this video. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.